Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is a very special episode of Scratch That. This week we are focusing on dessert. And so my husband's favorite dessert is red velvet cake. So this week we are going to feature Betty Crocker red velvet cake mix, and we're going to transform it into poke cake. And we have a very special guest who's going to make a very nice entrance on the show. He is going to actually make this cake. I'm going to walk him through step by step how to do it. It's going to be fun. Let's get it. Okay, you ready to do this?
Yes.
You can do it. I have confidence in you. Let's go. First thing you're going to do is pour your cake mix into that bowl. Okay, and so now you're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of water. Good job. Okay, so the next thing you're going to add in is 1 stick of melted butter. Okay, and now you're going to crack in 3 eggs. Try not to get any shells. Do you know the little fancy egg trick?
I do not.
Okay,
I just try to do like a 2-hit.
But see, I can't use one hand. I use 2 hands to crack it even.
Yeah, I can't do that.
See, I'm gonna learn, because I mean, when you learn the little one hand egg trick, like, you a chef. Like, that's just it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna even try it today.
And usually when I do box cake mix, I add in some vanilla just for extra flavor. So go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and that's everything you need for the cake. So now you just want to mix it up. So grab your mixer and start it off on 1, just in the low setting, just to kind of get it all mixed together. Okay, so go ahead and put it on 3 and just mix it for about another minute or so. Okay, so now that the cake is all mixed up, you want to get your baking dish out and you want to just spray that lightly with some olive oil spray. And make sure you get around the sides all the way up. You don't want anything to stick on there. Perfect. And now go ahead and pour that cake into that pan. So why is red velvet cake your favorite cake?
You know, I don't have a good answer for you, but one thing I do know is that when you made it the first time, I've had it before, but for some reason when you made it, I really liked it. I think it's because, for one, it was you, of course, but I'm not a big sweet eater, but man, when I had this, it was just right. So I was like, you know what, this could be the start of something special.
Little entanglement.
Listen. Tangling. Man.
Okay, so once you have all the cake in here, you just want to take the back of the spoon and just smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and even. You don't want it to be lopsided, so make sure you have an even amount that covers the whole pan.
No Gumby.
Okay, so that looks delicious. So I already have the oven on at 350 degrees. You just want to put that in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or till it's completely cooked, and we'll be back.
Hey everybody, while the cake is baking, we're going to do something special for the subscribers for YouTube. We need you to do 3 things. We need you to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and then right after that, we need you to hashtag scratch that in the comments below, and then right after that, we need you to put your cash tag because we're doing a special cash giveaway to one lucky person. Thank you. Now back to your regular scheduled programming.
Okay, so Kyle is mixing up the pudding. He added 2 boxes of cheesecake instant pudding, and now he is adding 4 cups of cold milk. And he's going to stir that all together. And once that's done, now he's just adding the holes into the red velvet cake. And guys, you just want to make sure that the spoon gets to the very bottom of the pan. That way when you pour that pudding on, it can reach each part of this cake. You want it nice and moist. Razzle dazzle. Here comes the pudding, guys. It's so delicious. And you just want to take a spoon and smooth it over. Okay, so while the cake is in the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and crumble up some Oreos. So we are going to use Oreo thins. But you can definitely use just regular Oreos. I like to use the thins because they crush up a lot easier. So Kyle, he has put 20 Oreos inside of the sandwich bag, and he is gonna go ahead and crush them up. Okay, so now the cake is ready. So the next thing we're gonna do is add the whipped topping on top. Now I use Cool Whip. It's the extra creamy style, but you can definitely use just regular whipped cream if you want to. That looks perfect. So the last thing you want to do is just take those crushed up Oreos and sprinkle those right on top. That looks amazing. The moment of truth. Bite into this. I'm going for a big one. Okay, you all right?
I'm so happy. That's really good. I like the moistness of it. I like how everything just kind of ran into the holes of the pulp. Makes it a lot more moist and more flavorful as well.
Absolutely, it's so delicious, guys. Listen, you want to try this recipe. It's red velvet poke cake please let me know if you try it. Let me know. Hit me up. I guess he's gonna finish the cake. Thank you guys so much for watching Scratch That. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.